Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Oh Meow Easy English.
Hi, everyone. It's great to have you with us again.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel.
On this channel, we help you build real, natural English, step by step, every single day.
So if you enjoy learning with us, please remember to like this video and subscribe. It really supports our channel and helps more learners find us.
That's right. Thank you so much.
Today, we have a fun and super useful topic.
Yes, we're talking about habits, the things we do all the time, sometimes without even noticing.
Daily habits, weekly habits, good ones, bad ones, all of them.
The weather is lovely today, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's bright and warm. I love mornings like this. They make me feel energetic.
Same here. Did you come directly from home today?
Yes, I actually walked here. The walk felt wonderful. I passed a small market, and it smelled like fresh bread.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I walked here too, but I listened to a podcast on the way.
What kind of podcasts do you usually listen to?
Mostly light things, lifestyle, stories, sometimes comedy.
Nice. I sometimes listen to the news in the morning.
The news in the morning? That's brave.
I like starting the day knowing what's happening around the world.
I admire that. Maybe I should try listening to the news. Maybe.
So, Emma, what are you planning to do after we finish recording today?
Honestly, I'm thinking of going to a cafe to get a big iced coffee and maybe a pastry.
That sounds perfect. Can I join you?
Of course, you're always welcome.
Great. Now I'm excited for after the show.
All right, friends, today's topic is habits.
Yes. Habits like Emma's habit of getting coffee every day.
Hey, that is absolutely true. But today we're talking about all kinds of habits, useful ones, common ones, and some funny ones. So, Daniel, how would you describe a habit?
A habit is something you do regularly, again and again, almost automatically.
Like breathing?
Not exactly, but similar. For example, I always stretch when I wake up. I don't think about it. I just do it.
I get it. For me, I always drink a glass of water right after waking up.
That's a really healthy habit. I should start doing that too.
So let's begin with morning habits. What's the first thing you do after waking up?
The very first thing, open my eyes.
Daniel.
I'm kidding. After waking up, I check the time on my phone.
I do that too. I always check my phone the moment I wake up.
My doctor said it's not great for your eyes.
Same. I should stop, but it's a hard habit to break.
What's a good morning habit you have?
I always make my bed every morning.
Really? I only make my bed sometimes.
Making the bed makes my room feel organized. It sets the tone for the day.
I respect that. Maybe I should start doing that too. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
My breakfast is very predictable. Toast and hot tea. Almost every morning.
That's simple and cozy.
I change my breakfast a lot. Yogurt, fruit, cereal. But I always drink coffee.
How many cups?
Do we need to talk about that?
Yes. For science.
Fine. 2 or 3 cups.
So, always?
Yes. Always. Coffee is life.
How do you usually get to work?
I normally walk because my workplace is close to my apartment.
That's surprisingly healthy.
What about you?
I usually take the bus, but on Saturdays I often drive because I buy groceries after work.
A weekly habit. let's talk about work habits. What do you always do at the start of your workday?
I always make a to-do list.
Wow, very organized.
Sometimes I lose the list.
Daniel,
I know. I'm working on it.
do you have any bad work habits?
Yes, I am often late to meetings.
Oh no. Why?
I always think I have more time than I actually do.
You need a new habit. Arriving 5 minutes early.
That sounds impossible.
What do you usually do after work?
I sit down for 10 minutes and relax. No phone, no thinking.
That sounds heavenly.
After that, I usually go to the gym.
Wow. Impressive. I never go to the gym.
What do you do for exercise?
I walk to the fridge.
That does not count.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, most nights. I like cooking.
I mostly order food.
That can be expensive.
I know, but it tastes good.
What do you do before going to bed?
I always brush my teeth and then read for a little bit.
That's great.
And then I sometimes check my phone.
Same here. We need to stop.
Let's make a deal.
One night, no phones.
Only one night?
Baby steps.
Do your weekends look different?
Oh yes. On Saturdays, I sleep in late, sometimes until 10 or 11.
Lucky. I always wake up around 8, even on weekends.
That's too early for a Saturday.
I read the news slowly while drinking my coffee.
That sounds peaceful.
What about Sundays?
Sunday is cleaning day for me. Laundry, vacuuming, tidying up.
Every Sunday?
Yes.
I clean my place when it becomes a problem. Let's talk about bad habits. We all have them.
Oh, I have many. I bite my nails sometimes.
When?
When I'm watching something scary or when I'm stressed.
I sometimes do that too.
And I lose my sunglasses all the time.
How many pairs this year?
5? Maybe 6?
That's a habit and a financial problem. My expensive bad habit is buying coffee from cafes every day.
You could make it at home.
I could, but I won't. So, how do we build new good habits?
Start small, very small.
Like walking for 5 minutes if you want to run someday.
Exactly. And be consistent.
So, every day, even a tiny bit, helps build the habit. What new habit do you want to start?
Eating fruit every day?
Yes, add a banana to your breakfast.
I can do that.
I want to call my family more instead of just texting.
That's a lovely habit.
Let's quickly review some important vocabulary.
Great idea. Let's start with habit.
A habit is something you do regularly without thinking too much.
Like brushing your teeth.
Always means 100%.
Never means 0%.
Usually means most of the time.
Often means many times.
Sometimes means not often, not rare, just sometimes.
A routine is a set of habits in a specific order.
Like your morning routine or evening routine.
Healthy habits are good for you.
Unhealthy habits, not so good. So today, we learned all about habits. Morning, evening, work, weekend habits, good and bad habits.
And we practiced how to describe habits using always, never, usually, often, and sometimes.
And we talked about routines and how to create new good habits by starting small.
And we even made our own habit goals.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, time for the question of the day.
What is one good habit you already have and one bad habit you want to change?
Write your answer in the comments. It's great English practice.
And we really love reading your comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like.
And subscribe to Omao Easy English if you haven't already.
We post new videos every week to help you practice real English.
Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Keep practicing, keep learning, be patient and kind to yourself.
Learning English is a journey.
And we're happy to walk that journey with you.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.